In this video I will show you how to measure your wrist for a paracord bracelet, and I will also show you how much cord you will need roughly for a bracelet, and also if you can spot the newbie mistake, let me know in the comments. Okay, so to measure your wrist for a paracord bracelet you need a wrist and some paracord. Wrap the paracord around your wrist to where they join up together like that. Put your finger underneath to give yourself a little bit of wiggle room, so just to make the bracelet comfortable like that. And where the cord touched is where I'm holding it there. And then measure your cord on a tape measure, and you can see that my wrist is roughly 8 inches across. Now it takes 1 foot of paracord to make 1 inch of paracord bracelet. Okay, so if my wrist is 8 inches across, I need roughly 8 feet of paracord. But that's not all. A Cobra weave bracelet has a 2-strand core. Bits in the middle here. See? So 8 inches is there, and I need to add another 8 inches for that side, which makes 16 inches. Yeah? So now the amount of cord I need to make a simple bracelet for an 8-inch wrist is 9.5 feet. I hope that helps. And the other thing I noticed on my jig, which I got from PS Cook, is really good. It tells you how much cord you need there. So look, these are inches. I need 9.5 feet of cord. Well, this fits my wrist right now, and look where the marker is on 9.5 inches. So yeah, if you want to actually buy this jig, one of these jigs from PS Cook with the monkey fist attachment on there as well, I will leave a link in the description down below. But other than that, keep yourself safe everybody, wash your hands, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.